Everyone thinks the best-selling phone mount for their Jeep Patriot is automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, LISEN Magnetic Phone Holder. First up is the LISEN Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. Priced at $16.99, this magnetic holder caught my eye because of its strong suction and solid reviews, boasting a 4.3-star rating from over 3,100 users. If you want a reliable and secure mount, this is worth a serious look. It's got a special magnetic snap that clicks securely into place for iPhones 12 and up, with one-handed operation that allows for easy adjustments even while driving. Plus, the arm rotates 180 degrees so you can shift between landscape and portrait modes with no fuss. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with buyers. Now, some people complained about the suction losing grip in extreme heat. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation instructions and keep it clean, it should hold just fine. So if you're driving in hot climates often, just be mindful of where you place it. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, easy-to-use magnetic mount that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that supports larger devices or has more features. Now, if the potential heat issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Keistel Magnetic Holder. Next on the list is the Keistel for MagSafe, priced at just $9.98. With a 4.5-star rating and over 28,700 reviews, this mount is popular for a reason. If you're on a budget but want a strong hold, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Keistel mount uses vehicle-grade 3M adhesive that sticks like glue to your dashboard. It's designed specifically for MagSafe but includes metal rings for other smartphones, ensuring broad compatibility. The mini design doesn't block your view, making it safer while driving. Plus, it's super easy to install and allows for one-handed operation, which is essential when you're on the go. However, some users mentioned that the adhesive can leave residue when removed. Here's the thing though, it's pretty easy to clean up and the strong grip is great for everyday use. If you're okay with a little cleanup, you'll appreciate this holder's performance. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable mount that doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you prefer mounts with a more robust adjustability feature. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, VANMASS Suction Cup Mount. Now we're moving on to the VANMASS Car Dashboard Phone Holder, priced at $24.97. With a 4.4-star rating and nearly 49,700 reviews, this is a great mid-range option that really stands out. If you want something that can adapt to different environments, keep watching. It has been rigorously tested to withstand extreme temperatures and road conditions, so you know it's going to last. The 360 degrees rotation and adjustable arm make it super user-friendly for navigation and calls, which is perfect for long drives or quick trips. Some users have pointed out that it may be harder to install on curved or textured surfaces. But I'll be real with you, as long as you find a flat surface, you should be fine, and the stability it provides is worth the initial setup time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for durability and flexibility in your mount. Skip this one if you only need it for short trips and want something more compact. Now, if you're looking for something even stronger, check out our next product. Product number 4, VANMASS Upgraded Holder. Next up is another offering from VANMASS, the upgraded strongest suction and clip model, priced slightly higher at $25.98. With a 4.4-star rating and 34,100 reviews, this one has a lot of loyal fans. If you're looking for the strongest hold possible, this might be the mount for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This one features a larger suction cup than its predecessor, holding even the heaviest smartphones securely on bumpy roads, up to a staggering 85 pounds. The adjustable arm lets you position your device exactly where you want it, plus it has a unique design that prevents wobbling while you drive. It's also made from quality materials that withstand extreme weather, so you can trust it to perform. Some users have found the installation a bit tricky at first, especially with different vehicle types. Here's the thing though, the benefits far outweigh the initial setup frustration, and once it's on, it stays put. This is perfect for you if you want the highest security for your phone during off-road adventures. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler that doesn't require extensive adjustments. Now, if you want a mount that's all about being sleek and functional, let's check out the last one. Product number 5, ANDRY Magnetic Holder. Finally, we have the ANDRY Car Phone Holder for MagSafe, priced at $25.59. With a 4.4-star rating from 20,500 users, it's another solid option if you're seeking a blend of style and functionality. If you love magnetic mounts and need something that holds up, don't miss this. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ANDRY mount features super strong magnets that provide up to 2,400 GF of holding power, which means you can confidently navigate without worrying about your phone slipping. It's designed to work with all MagSafe devices, and the 360 degrees rotation makes it easy to adjust for your preferred viewing angle. On the downside, some users reported that the installation can be a bit finicky compared to others. Here's the thing though, once it's set up properly, it provides an amazing experience that keeps your phone cool and secure. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler who uses your phone for navigation. Skip this one if you want a straightforward, no-fuss installation experience. Now that we've covered all 5 options, it's clear that there are great choices out there for your Jeep Patriot. So to wrap it all up, we've looked at the LISEN magnetic phone holder, the Kai style, the VANMASS suction cup mount, the upgraded VANMASS version, and the ANDRY model. Each one has its strengths, whether it's budget-friendly, strong suction, or sleek design. Choose the one that fits your needs and hit the road with confidence.